Watch what I do. Watch what I do. I see you looking. Watch what I do. Watch what I do. I see you looking. Watch what I do.
This is an immersive smartphone. The display reaches edge to edge, in both directions, and it unfolds to an expansive tablet experience with a glass screen, ultra-slim bezel, and a brilliant dynamic display for the ultimate mobile viewing or gaming experience. With 120Hz frame rate, twice as fast as the last Fold, so you can scroll and scroll and scroll through the workspace, game room, and theatre in your pocket.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No. Hello? I just wanna tell you right now that I believe, I really do believe that something's got a hold on me, yeah. Oh, something's got a hold on me right now, yeah. Let me tell you now, I've got a feeling that feels so strange. Everything about me seems to have changed. Step by step, I got a brand new walk. I even sound sweeter when I talk. I said, hey baby, oh, it must be love, you know it must be love.
This is Mate XS. Unlike any smartphone, with 8-inch foldable screen, you can read a book. Yes, like a real book. Surfing the website, or playing games with a wider vision. Press App Multiplier button. App displays in dual windows. Product list at left. Details at right. Without interrupting the tasks at hand, just quick reply with floating window. Double your efficiency. If you want to share messengers, just drag and drop. Drag pictures. Drag videos. Drag files. Swipe here to view the dock. Put it on the left or on the right. If not enough, add one more. This is the foldable Mate XS.